Welcome to Module 3, Social Media and Suicide Prevention. In this module, we will be exploring how social media intersects with suicide prevention. This isn't about blaming technology, but about understanding how digital environments shape risk and resilience. We'll look at research, platform policies, and ethical questions that matter for anyone studying mental health. So why does this matter? Suicide remains a major public health concern, especially among adolescents and young adults. The same groups most active on social media. Social platforms influence identity, belonging, and self-seeking. They can expose people to harmful content, but they can also connect people to support. Understanding both sides is essential. Suicide contagion refers to increased risk after exposure to suicide-related content. Online, this exposure can be rapid, repeated, and amplified. Even when content isn't intentionally harmful, the sheer visibility can affect vulnerable users. Platforms struggle to balance awareness and safety. Cyberbullying differs from offline bullying because it's persistent, public, and often anonymous. Research consistently links online harassment to depression, anxiety, and suicidal ideation. Marginalized groups, including LGBTQ+ youth, experience higher rates of online victimization. Platform policies exist, but enforcement is inconsistent, unfortunately. Social media encourages comparison because we mostly see curated, highlighted reels. This can distort perceptions of other lives and fuels feelings of inadequacy. Body image pressures are especially strong on visual platforms. The fear of missing out can intensify loneliness even when someone is highly connected on and offline. Platforms use a mix of AI and human moderators to detect suicidal content, but accuracy is a major challenge. Ethical tensions arise. How much should platforms intervene? What about privacy? And how do we handle cultural differences in how people talk about distress? There's no perfect solution, but transparency and accountability matter. Some platforms automatically display crisis resources when users search for or post concerning content. Other partners with hotlines or other reporting tools. Peer support can also be powerful. People often reach out online before seeking professional help. But automated systems can misinterpret context, and not everyone trusts platform interventions. Online communities can reduce isolation and provide a sense of belonging. Many people find support from peers who understand their experiences, but some spaces unintentionally normalize self-harm or discourage treatment. Moderation quality makes a huge difference. We need to teach students how to evaluate whether a community is safe. Misinformation spreads quickly online, especially around mental health. Some content normalizes or romanticizes self-harm. Other posts offer harmful advice. Conspiracy narratives can discourage people from seeking help. Teaching digital literacy is a key prevention strategy. So what are some of these prevention strategies? Effective prevention requires a combination of digital literacy, evidence-based interventions, and thoughtful platform designs. We need to empower users to recognize harmful content, seek help, and support others. So in conclusion, social media isn't inherently good or bad. It's a powerful tool that can either increase risk or support prevention, depending on how it's used and designed. Our goal is to understand these dynamics so we can create safer digital environments and support people who may be struggling. Next, I want you to contribute to the discussion question and continue in modules 1 and 2 in the discussion questions, and then take the quiz, get 100%, and you can move on to module 4.